how to uninstall Riot Client completely. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to uninstall Riot Client completely. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, simply press Windows plus I to open the settings. And now here, once you are inside the settings, look at the left-hand sidebar and there simply click on Apps. And now here, once you're inside the app, simply click on the install apps. And now here in this section, simply find Riot Client. But as of right now, I don't have any Riot clients installed in my device. But here, if you have installed it, simply click on the search bar and simply type Riot Client and simply search for it. And now here, once you found that Riot Client, simply click the three dot beside it. And now here from the pop-up menu, you can simply click on uninstall and confirm the uninstallation by clicking on uninstall again. And with that, if you see Valorant or other Riot games, you can simply uninstall them first. And after uninstalling the Riot client, you can remove the leftover folders by opening the File Explorer, and there you can simply delete following folders if they exist. So there you can simply go to the downloads and there you can simply search for Riot Games or any other games. And after that, you can simply delete the program data and the installer file from there as well. And with that, you can simply press Windows plus R, and there you can simply type percentage local app data percentage and simply press enter. And there you can simply search for any Riot Games folders. And once you've found that, you can simply delete it from here too. And here, once you're done with everything, then you can simply restart your computer, and restarting will ensure any background Riot services to be removed. And that's it. Once you do that, the Riot clients will be completely removed from your PC. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.